Hello traders, I just finished London morning session. Before I go for my lunch break, I would like to show you how I help my traders to squeeze amazing profit through live intraday analysis. As always, if you would like to see all that analysis in real time instead of review, most welcome. Join my fast growing trader community. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how we manage very decent profit this morning. As always, if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review in the future, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair, and later on I will show you the best trades of the day. Right, so EURUSD, if you look at the EURUSD, if you look at the 4-hour chart, we were long from yesterday. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis review, video link is given in the video description. So we were long, beautiful, and this as I mentioned my yesterday trader, if the price gonna maintain above this level, we are expecting a long, otherwise short trade here. If you look at here, this is price developed inside candle pattern. We have a short trade this morning, technically this morning, but we have been looking at the short trade at the Asian session. So we had such a nice beautiful breakout, and afterwards we had a beautiful short trade here on EUR. Let me share with you the entries and exit in EURUSD. That was a pretty standard and pretty straightforward, guys. Okay, so if you look at here, this is the analysis at the Asian session as mentioned here. As you can see here, as explained to my trader, if the price is going to respect this level, then or if break, then short trade here. As you can see here, price nicely respected, failed to break. We had this more trade this morning, price broken at the European Open. That was a beautiful long trade here. As soon as the price hit to the 200 EMA, explain my trader is consider tightening your stop loss, move your stop loss break even, and let's see if we can add in one more trade on the pullback, which is technically I updated that analysis London morning session after the banking profit. I said, guys, look for any pullback. I said if the price is going to touch any orange EMA or any pullback, which is we announced through live ID commentary, momentum was bearish. That was a beautiful pullback short trade here. As soon as the price hit inside the Bollinger Band, which is technically 20 EMA on 4-hour, and that's what explained my trader is time to enjoy some profit. And let's see, guys, that was a beautiful trade this morning. And let me share with you the pound dollar. We had an amazing trade. Pound dollar, again, as mentioned my trader yesterday, if the price gonna break this low, this high, then we're taking a short. If the price gonna stay above, look for long. And if you look at here technically, you can see here price really nicely respected. So price develop another up channel. So we had this counter long short trade here this morning. Once the price refused to stay above this level, let me share with you guys. And as soon as the price hit to the major support level, we explained my trader it's time to bank some profit and look for counter. All right, so let me share with you the entries and exit. That was a pretty straightforward, guys. We really enjoyed it. And if you look at here this morning, as mentioned here in 4-hour, that was a pretty straightforward. This channel breakout, once the price broken, I said to my trader, just keep taking it, add another pullback here. Once the price hit to the first target, we have another short trade here. As soon as the price hit to the support level in 4-hour, and that's what I explained my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. And let's see the price action. Then I did another analysis. As you can see here, price developed a triple bottom here. That's a good sign for reversal, but as you can see here, price broken and retest. This is the counter long trade here. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoy all this analysis. We made amazing profit on pound dollar CAD. Beautiful trade, guys. All right, so as you have seen from yesterday analysis, as I mentioned, the price developed early sign of reversal. We can see here falling wedge. That was a beautiful breakout. So we were expecting a long trade here on dollar CAD. That's what most of my traders explained. Just keep taking a pullbacks. As you can see here, we've been long from yesterday. As you have seen my yesterday analysis review, video link is given in the video description. So we went long from yesterday. As you can see here at the Asian session, as explained, look for another pullback, bank few PPs. At the London morning session, I say, guys, as long as the price does not break any recent low and retest, just keep looking at pullback long. So we have another beautiful pullback long here. All right, so let me share with you the best trades we had it. That's all explained to my Asian session traders yesterday, and I did analysis. That was the beautiful Aussie dollar and the Kiwi dollar. So if you look at, because we have a news, that's what I explained my traders, so just keep an eye. So if you look at the Aussie dollar, that was the beautiful price, nicely respected, and explained, look for if the price can break this, stay below this level, look for counter short trade here. And if the new support, just holding it. So price nicely hit this profit target and explain my traders. So we have most of my traders bank amazing profit on this one. Let me share with you the analysis. That was a pretty straightforward analysis. As you can see here, even in yesterday, I explained the price action in more detail. As you can see here, that was the yesterday, and afterwards at the New York session, that's what I explained my trader. Now price developed a double top here. We can see here price respected info here. Look for this breakout. As you can see here, price nicely broken. After the breakout, price retest, and then news would come and news supported another beautiful short trade here. So you can see here, guys, we had amazing trade on Aussie dollar. We had an amazing trade on Kiwi dollar. That was a pretty straightforward breakout short trade here. As you can see here, such an amazing beautiful trade. You can see it pretty straightforward. At the European session, we had this beautiful breakout, bank amazing profit on Kiwi dollar. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned, guys, you should be watching those analyses in real time, banking profit in real time. If you are struggling in this forex trading, this is a platform where I train and coach trader with a live market. That's the most important part of it. And once you develop your trading skill and produce consistency result, I can also help you to get funded. If you are interested how I coach and train trader with a live market, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. Availability calendar link is given in the video description. Most welcome. Join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Stay blessed. Oh, have a nice day. Sorry, this is London morning session recording, now the evening. I normally record in the evening, so I just recorded today this morning. So have a nice day, guys. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.